This dash-mounted phone holder is tailored specifically for late-model Ford F-Series trucks and expeditions, so it integrates cleanly into the factory dashboard without looking like an afterthought. The all-metal bracket and screw-in design create a rock-solid mount that stays put even when the truck is bouncing over rough trails or washboard roads. Its base is shaped to match the dashboard storage tray, which means it sits snugly with minimal gaps and does not rattle during daily driving. The clamp and extension arm offer generous adjustment and full rotation, allowing you to position most modern smartphones at a comfortable viewing angle without blocking the road. A rail system with compatible ball heads makes it easy to attach different device mounts or reposition the phone along the base for navigation, recording, or co-driver use. The included hardware and optional no-drill installation accessories give you flexibility to mount it securely, whether you prefer adhesive, screws, or a combination of both.